What's going on, guys? Olympian here, back with another video. Today we're going to be opening up this Pokeball Premier Ball tin that is the C20 version, and I'll be showing you what packs come inside of this. There we go. Alright, inside of this pack ball we have our... Is this an error? There's 4 packs in here. Holy... 2 Burning Shadows and Evolutions and a sun and Moon. Holy smokes. That is crazy. Wow. I'm pretty sure there's only supposed to be 3 packs inside of these tins. See, I destroyed the wrapper, so I can't tell what it's supposed to say on there, but yeah. I'm pretty sure this is an error. It's only supposed to be 3 packs. I did thought it felt a little heavier, but I was not expecting that. Wow. Alright, well, since I have these packs here, let's get right into it. Alright, Sun and Moon. Missed this set. Green code card. I believe it's 4 to the front. Yes, it is. Okay. Dark Energy, Granbull, Metapod, Lily, Litten, Torkoal, Yongoose, Rowlet, Cosmog, Switch, and a Beware. Alright, save Evolutions for last. 2 Burning Shadows. I barely open up Burning Shadow packs. Nowadays they're very hard to find. Got lucky even to find this tin in the wild. In the front we have a Lightning Energy, Super Scoop Up, Plumera, Seadra, Pansage, Esper, Pikachu, Noibat, Duplitter, Reverse Pessimian, and a rare Lycanroc. Our next Burning Shadow pack. I just hope there's one good card out of these. One good card out of all these packs. 4 to the front. We have a Dark Energy, Heatmore, Lana, Tormenting Spray, Sandygeist, Venipede, Sneasel, Alolan Vulpix, Horsey, Reverse Dusknoir. Oh my god, we actually got a hit. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think this is... Okay, a Salazzle GX. I saw the red, I thought it was a Charizard. I was gonna be so hyped. Alright, Salazzle GX for our rare from a Burning Shadows pack. And last but not least, XY Evolutions. Hard to find pack right here. Now, X and Y, I think, is 3 to the front, if I'm correct. 1, 2, 3. If I'm wrong, I apologize. We have a Maintenance, Hauntor, Flying Pikachu is our rare. I think I messed up the card trick. Magikarp, Energy Fighting, Staryu, Tangela, Rattata, Reverse Vulpix, and a Beedrill for our rare. No, I think the Flying Pikachu is just... That was a rare. Yeah, it was a rare. Alright. If you guys enjoyed this video of this Pokeball tin, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you all for watching.